There's a big change in the world of marketing. There's a lot of new technology that is being added to the list of skills a marketer needs to have. All this technology is helping marketers understand their consumers better, engage with their consumers better, and provide them a better experience. A lot of the investment is being made on the content marketing side, the effect of which is to help the consumer self-educate. They realize that the traditional role of sales has been to educate a customer, take them along their buying cycle, and at some point they are ready to buy. That education part is now moving to the marketing funnel. So now there are two funnels at work, essentially a marketing funnel and a sales funnel. And the marketing funnel is increasingly becoming more important. Why? Because that's where you can spend a lot of money and a lot of automation tools are available. Consumers are already going to the internet for information. The job of a marketer now is to provide good quality information, so that not sales information, not a pitch, but news you can use, stuff that customers and consumers can actually use. So your job as a marketer now becomes to provide that good quality content to your consumers. And now the challenge that companies face is they're going to create hundreds of thousands of pieces of content, and consumers can consume them at their own time and pace. Marketing automation tools are available to help guide this journey along, to automate the whole thing, and there are very good tools available already. The challenge that companies are going to face now is to figure out how to move the consumer along the process. Left to their own devices, a consumer might read something, attend a webinar, or download an infographic, and go back and read something else, and so on. They will keep moving in Brownian motion, not necessarily moving along to the right where the sales funnel is. Now, the right way to do this is to be able to use predictive analytics and be able to guide the consumer along their self-education journey, telling people sending them documents that they need to read, inviting them to events that they need to hear, and actually in the right spirit helping the consumer make up their mind about what their problem is, how to solve their problem, and which product is the right product to solve their problem, and you are hoping that it's your product. But the relationship and trust you build with the consumer is going to come along the way. This trust will only come when you engage with the consumer in an intelligent fashion. If you have 100,000 documents, if you send one document a week, every week, one, you're going to be unsubscribed very quickly, and two, you're sending junk, and the consumer is going to likely tire of this thing. So how do you send them intelligent material? How do you send them things that they truly will find useful? Creating content is one thing, sending people the right thing is another. And as marketers start thinking about the marketing funnel, they have to think about funnel acceleration, not merely creating a big front end and hoping that some of those people get to the end near the sales cycle.